What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm gonna be just today asking you guys a simple favor. First of all, if you like and enjoy my videos, currently I'm growing $200 into $1 million within the span of maximum of 3 years. So by 3 years I'm planning to reach $1 million on my Robinhood portfolio. Swing trading stocks, and to get there, I have certain weekly goals. If you enjoy my content and enjoy my videos, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can like the video and subscribe to me. It really helps me out a lot. Alright, so what I just want to do today is ask you guys, because I'm wondering what kind of content do you guys want me to produce. Like, what do you want me to make videos about? Like, do you want me to show you like top 5 stocks that I'd recommend? Like, just the daily updates if you guys like those? Or do you want me to do like some live trading sometimes, like when I'm buying stocks and stuff like that? Any ideas you have, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could put that in the comment section below, I'd be really happy to read those and see what I can do best for you guys. So that's basically it for the video today. Just really quick. That's it for today's video. Nothing much. I just want to know what you guys like most. What do you guys want me to post? Because I know I like to post like daily updates and what I'm trading, but I don't know if you guys like it, and I want to do whatever suits you guys best. So if you could comment down below, I'd really appreciate it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.